Good morning, everybody. Today is June 30th, 2023. Happy Friday and happy long 4th of July weekend that's coming up. So, the stock market is booming right now. I could see that it's like 200 points up on Dow, 150 points on NASDAQ, and S&P is up 50 points. So, everything seems great today. A couple of days ago we were crashing and burning and everybody was running for the exits and today people are trying to jump back in. So when stocks were cheap, people were running away and dumping them and didn't want to hear about them, right? When the stocks are expensive, now everybody wants to jump in and thinking that, oh yeah, now I'm gonna go and make more money. So you have to do the opposite. That's the whole idea of the stock market. Be scared, be fearful when everybody is fearless, like right now, and be fearless when everybody is fearful, like it was a couple of days ago when the stock market was crashing and burning. However, let's set all these lyrics aside and talk about what you should consider buying today, because no matter what day it is, there's always something that's under pressure that investors are scared to hold, and they're dumping those shares. And this is when I come in and I give you advice to consider adding these stocks to your portfolio, because they're just simply cheap, but they're actually great companies with great brand names, sales, revenue, huge customer base, and international scale of the service and products that they offer to the world. So let's see what we should be buying today. Number one pick right now is Nike, the company that makes shoes or sneakers or whatever, right? So this thing is down 2.3% or $2.71, trading at $110.70. So you're getting a great discount today if you're buying at $110, right? But also, this is one of the lowest prices for Nike for the last 6 months. So if you get in at 110, you could exit at 130, make $20 on the stock, which is roughly around 20%. Stock symbol is NKE. Guess what? Market cap for Nike is $174 billion. So I think this is a pretty astonishing market capitalization for a shoe company, because if you think about it, how many shoe companies we got out there? 1 million, right? Some are publicly traded, some are small private companies, but when you go to the store, you go to any sports store, you will see there's plenty of competition. However, Nike was able to manage to get really great business. But right now it's under pressure, so harvest it and then see and wait for a reversal of the stock. So Nike, NKE, $110.70. Next one is Micron Technologies. These guys make chips, memory chips. Most of you had computers, familiar with them, because if you want to upgrade your memory, for example, you call these guys and they will give you those chips. Sometimes they're already pre-installed inside of your computers, or if you're building your own computer, obviously, you will know about them. So stock symbol is MU. Their market cap is $70 billion, but today they're down 2% or $1.40, trading at $62.92. So I wouldn't say that you're getting the best price for the last 6 months, but you're getting a significant discount. And if you enter right now at $62.92, you're let's say roughly 63, you could jump out around 73, so you could make $10 on $60 stock, which is roughly 15-17%. So consider adding it to your portfolio. Stock symbol MU, Micron Technologies. Next one is, oh yeah, well, I've been talking about these guys for a long time already. And this is Target. We all know that store. Probably most of us went there, bought something. You know, some maybe go there on a regular basis. Very nice store. You know, usually they are like sitting on in the malls next to other stores. In my case, they're sitting next to Walmart, and they're obviously noticeably nicer than Walmart, because Walmart is kind of simple, efficient, but kind of rough, versus Target, where it's all gentle, all kind of like caters to I don't know, let's say upscale consumer. They have better selection of certain items than Walmart. But the problem is, right now they're down 1%, or $1.36, trading $131.60. This is literally the lowest price for the last 6 months. Guess where they dropped from? They dropped from $180. So if you get in at $130 right now, your potential exit price should be $180. So if you make $50 on a $131 stock, that's like 40% gain. So consider adding to your portfolio. Stock symbol TGT, and the price is $131.50 today. By the way, Target market capitalization is $61 billion. And that's why I believe this company will turn itself around and turn its stock price around, because they do have quite a bit of, you know, capital, and they also have, you know, I guess, you know, a certain amount of talent, or they could hire one. But I think they're due for turnaround. Okay, it's been slacking for a long time already, but very recognizable brand name, and that's what I like. Next one is, well, Autodesk, stock symbol ADSK. They're down 0.79%, or $1.60, trading at $204.60. And the market capitalization is $44 billion. So it's not a small company, and I'm sure, you know, they would be able to turn around, especially because it's kind of a software company. If you don't know what they do, is that, let's say, I think architects, also product designers, use their software to first visualize the things that they want to create, kind of like in a 3D vision, where they could, you know, where the software would be able to help them to show how this thing looks, you know, in you know, 3D, like almost like a real thing. Plus, the software is able to, you know, calculate to see if it's going to fit the rest of the design or the architecture. So it's a pretty useful tool, and I know a lot of people who use that. However, no matter what, they're under pressure right now. They're down 0.5%, and or $1, trading at $205. So consider adding it to your portfolio, because it's a good buy. So if you buy it right now at $205, you could exit $230, make $25 on this stock. So it's gonna be great. So let me just do something with this thing, because how do we do this? Do not just, I don't know, not like that. So next one. Okay, let me see how much time I got. Oh, I got almost no time. All right. So all the stocks I'm talking about, they're listed inside of this app called, see, you could see right here. You could see, you know, the charts. You could see the actual list of stocks that I was just talking about. So all the stocks are listed inside of this app. If you go stockapp.com, The app covers 7,000 stocks, and you will know what to buy every day. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading.
You don't have any items
Bye-bye
about
now.